Okay, children, good afternoon.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Okay, so today's topic is circles. One new topic. Okay, so we'll study detailedly about circles. Okay, so before that, let me ask you. Here one exercise 4.5 is there. Okay, and the question is draw a quadrilateral PQRS. Draw a quadrilateral PQRS and write the opposite angles, write the adjacent angles, opposite sides, diagonals. Do you know all about that?
Yes, ma'am.
So exercise 4.5, I'll send the answers. Okay. Those answers and last class I discussed about a triangle. How many triangles are there? Naming the triangle. Find out naming an angle. Find out how many triangles are there. All those things. And exercise questions also. Exercise questions also I have given you. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
And we explained that, and then we started quadrilaterals. After explaining triangles, I started quadrilaterals. And quadrilaterals also exercise, some questions are there. Only 2 questions. NCERT textbook, exercise 2 questions are there. That is, draw a quadrilateral and write it opposite angle, adjacent angles, opposite sides, diagonals, etc. etc. So all those questions also easy. Today I will send the notes to you. And now we are starting with a new topic, circles. Okay, what is the new topic? Circles. Okay. Let me see, only 28 students reached. Only 28. Okay, shall I start with circles?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, children, can you tell me example of circles? What do you mean by a circle?
Ma'am, a round figure.
Round figure. Okay. Round figure. Then, can you tell from examples from your surroundings?
Or edges.
Surroundings.
Ma'am, it doesn't
It
have
does not have vertical
I
sides.
cannot hear you properly. Somebody who is telling, I'll ask. Wait. I don't want any mass answering. I'll ask you. Okay. Harriet and Xavier.
Yes, ma'am.
Will you tell some examples of circles from your surroundings?
Yes, ma'am. And bangle.
Very good. Bangle.
And fruits.
Yes.
Round fruits like oranges.
All of you, did you hear what she told?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
She told about round something like oranges. Okay, wait. Listen, that example you should keep in your mind. Oranges. I will explain it detailedly. And first example he told about a bangle. That is a perfect example of circles. Again, Harriet, I'll ask somebody else. Ayush Tej. Will you tell some more examples on circles? Yes. Ayush Tej, can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you tell some more examples of circles? Yes. Can you hear me?
Ma'am, can I say?
Yes. Who is that?
Ma'am, can I say? Ma'am, your bindi which you're wearing. Ma'am, your bindi.
Yeah. Okay, bindi. So bindi.
Can I say,
Okay.
ma'am?
Then,
Can I say, ma'am?
Ma'am, yes.
Ma'am, clock.
Cloak. Okay.
Ma'am, wheel. Ma'am,
Wheel. Okay. So,
Ma'am, ball.
wait. I will
Ma'am, ball.
explain it detailedly. Listen. See, children, I will explain about circles detailedly. So some of you told me the example of circles. That is, first child told that it is a bangle. Okay, a bangle is a perfect circle. And then she told the example of oranges. And I told you that I will explain it later. And oranges are not example of circles. Oranges are not the examples of circles. Oranges are the example of sphere. That means it is a three-dimensional figure. Three-dimensional figure. Okay, sphere. Then like a ball, football, cricket ball. And bangle is the best example of circles. Somebody please mute your audio. Who's it is? Ameya. Please mute your audio. Okay. Ameya, mute your audio. And you listen to me. Listen, children. So a bangle is a perfect example of a circle. And sphere, somebody told me that it is my bindi. The bindi what you are wearing. Okay. And bindi is not also an example of circles. And somebody told me clock. And clock is not also an example of circles. Clock also not example of a circle. A circle is only the boundary, rim, like a bangle.
Ma'am.
Okay. Wait, let me explain to you properly. It is only the boundary, a bangle. Whenever any teacher or anybody asks you to tell the example of circles, don't tell clock, don't tell about any chapati or round thing, or don't tell about the sphere, don't tell about the clock. Always you use the example as a bangle. Example of bangle. Example of a wheel. Okay. Cycle's wheel. Listen to me, let me explain. All the other things like clock and bindi are not circles. It is shape, its shape are circular. Its shape are circular. It's all circular things. Shape of those things are circular. But it is not an example of circles. Circle mean only the rim, the boundary, like a bangle. Okay. Like this. Can you see this? Can you see this?
Yes,
This is a sellotape. This is a sellotape. What is this? What is this?
Sellotape.
Sellotape. See. Only the outside the boundary is known as circles. It is a circle. Okay. If I take one bindi, it is not like this. Of course, it is a shape. Its shape is circular. But it is the perfect example of circles, a bangle, a ring. Rings, no? When you are wearing in your finger, ring.
Yes, ma'am.
The ring and rim, cycle rim. Have you seen cycle rims?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
And
ma'am.
wheel.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
All those things like tire. Tire, a bangle, a ring or a rim. All these are perfect example of a circle. And the other things, all those things are round in shape. Like when we make chapati, when we make dosha, all those things are round shape, circular shape. Okay, don't consider those things as circles. Clear? So what is a circle? It is a boundary only, boundary, circular boundary. Inside it is a hole. Can you see it? Can
Yes,
you see
ma'am.
the hole inside? There is area, but only we'll consider when we tell about circles, we'll take only the boundary. And when we are drawing circles, we take your compass, you used to take your compass and you draw only the boundary, like one round. Correct?
Yes,
You
ma'am.
take the compass and when you draw only one boundary with the pencil, one circular boundary, and inside you want shade. Whenever teachers are asked you to draw a circle, you will draw a circle and finish it. We want shade inside. Correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Want shade. There is nothing is there in the circle. Circle means only the boundary. Then, did you understand?
Yes,
All of
ma'am.
you?
Yes,
Understand
ma'am.
about that? So, can you
Yes,
tell
ma'am.
the example of circles?
Ring, bangle, I'm a hula hoop.
One by one. Who will
Ma'am,
tell?
ma'am, Shravana. Can I say?
Shravana.
Ma'am,
Yes. Sri Rudra also. Shravana and Sri Rudra. First Shravana. Yes. Bangle. Okay, finish. Sri Rudra.
Ma'am, wheel, coin.
Again Sri Rudra made a mistake. Took coin.
Ma'am.
Its shape is circular, round shape. But it is not an example of circle. Okay, Sri Rudra. You understood? Can you tell anyone one more example?
Yes, ma'am.
What is there in my hand now?
Ma'am, sellotape.
Sellotape. That when you buy a sellotape from the shop, it is like a circular shape. Correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now, one more thing, let me tell you. Listen, suppose we all are participating in Onam, our floral carpet competition, correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
All floral carpets we used to draw in circles, right?
Yes, ma'am.
How will you draw that circles? How will you draw that circle?
With flowers.
But our floral carpet is very big. This we cannot draw with the compass. With the thread. Somebody, do you remember about that?
Ma'am, thread and pencil.
A thread or pencil, or you take a thread and you tie one chalk piece, isn't it? One side. Isn't it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
And that if you tie a chalk piece on one end and somebody will catch it tightly to the ground, and one person will take the other end, both the ends there are chalks, and one person will take the other end and we used to draw a circle, right? Okay. And like that, if you want to make a circular garden, we used to keep 2 sticks. Okay. You used to keep 2 sticks. One stick we drive inside the ground, into the ground. Drive means we'll beat with something and we'll fix it inside the ground. And with the other end for playing and all, we used to draw the big circle. So for other end, one end, one stick and one thread, and other end of the thread, you will take another stick, and we used to draw a circle. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
For all those process, we want shade interior. We won't shade the interior part. Circle means only the rim. Okay. Then sometimes you will get a circle. Like if you are, suppose today you make a circle. I'll show you. Listen, you take a thread. Not now. You take a thread and one side, one end, you tie a small stone. Okay, and tight it. Correct? You take a thread and one end you take a small stone and tight it properly. and other end you keep in your hand and just you rotate like this. Can you see? Can you see now? It is my earphone. Can you see this?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So when you rotate that thread like this, you can see a circle. Correct? Can you see it?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Like that, when you rotate or revolve a stone with a thread, okay? When you revolve a stone, you will get a circle like this, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
So circle means, did you see, all of you?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
So
Yes,
the
ma'am.
path of the stone, the path, the way the stone goes, the path of the stone is known as circles.
Circles.
Okay. When you keep a thread in your hand and that thread's other end, if you tie a stone and when you revolve it, the path of the stone, path, P-A-T-H, path. You know what is path? Where the stone goes. Okay.
Yes,
So
ma'am.
the way the stone goes or the path of the stone is known as circle. It is the boundary. So can you tell the example of circles? Can you tell the example of circles?
Bangle.
Wheel,
Hula hoop.
okay. So
Onion ring.
ring. Okay. Now this chapter, this topic, we'll study detailedly about circles and its parts. Lot of parts are there for a circle. Okay. Clear?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes,
So,
ma'am.
a circle has its own various parts. So, first of all, for drawing a circle, we need one measurement, one length for drawing a circle. Okay. Do you have the compass with you?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Wait,
Yes,
don't
ma'am.
take. Is it there?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
So let me take my compass also
Yes,
and
ma'am.
I will show you. Okay. Okay.
Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
Okay. So, okay, children. Can you see the board now?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So, we'll take the compass. Can you see the compass?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So, you look at this down part. You can see, if you have your compass, you can see two tips there. When you insert a, Shravana, will you insert a pencil?
Yes, ma'am.
So when you insert a pencil on this part, one green part, can you see? Green thing, one screw.
Yes, ma'am.
If you insert a pencil there, small pencil, I'll show, there are some preliminary things when you use a compass. There are some basic things that I'll teach you. Okay. Now all of you look at your compass. And when you take compass, you can see two sharpened things there. One is compass, one sharp end, and the other is when you insert a pencil, that pencil tip. Clear? Did you understand? There are two parts. One is your pencil tip and other is compass sharpened. Sharp thing. Isn't it? Like a needle. And now keep your compass there and listen to me. Listen to me. See, when I adjust, can you see there down? Down, can you see?
Yes, ma'am.
What is that? Can you see that?
Yes, ma'am.
What is that?
Ma'am,
Some
the
measurement. Measurement is increasing. Some
Yes,
measurement is increasing and decreasing. Can you see?
Yes, ma'am.
When it decreases and it becomes 1 centimeter, 1 centimeter, and if you draw, we will get a small circle. So the circles that shape depends on this measurement. Okay. Suppose if I am taking 2 centimeter, sorry, 3 centimeter, see, 3.0. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
And
Yes, ma'am.
now you see I am drawing the circle. Can you see the circle?
Yes, ma'am.
Now I am drawing the circle. I got a circle like this.
Yes, ma'am.
Again I'll take the circle. Let me move this. Okay. I'll take the circle and the measurement I increased to 4 centimeter. Can you see it?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you see the measurement increasing? Can you see?
Yes, ma'am.
It is earlier I took only 3 centimeter, 3.1 like that.
Yes, ma'am.
Now I increased this and it became
4 centimeter.
4 centimeter now. Can you see that all?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
And when I started drawing, I got a big circle. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So, when I started drawing, I got a big circle than this. So, why it happened like that? Why it is like that? Can you tell the answer? Earlier I got a small circle, and secondly when I
Ma'am, because of the measurement.
Ma'am,
Because you increase the measurement.
the measurement,
Measurement.
the difference in the measurement. So that measurement determines the circles. What? How much big is the circle? Isn't it?
Yes,
How
ma'am.
much small is the circle? All those will depend upon that measurement. And that measurement is known as radius. Radius. Okay? All right. That measurement which you have taken in the compass to draw is known as radius. Okay, I'll draw one more circle. How much? 2.5 centimeter or 4.5. Clear? 4.5. Okay. So that measurement depends the circle that measurement depends the circle how much big and how much small, and that measurement is known as radius. Okay. Now
Radius.
Okay. Listen, children. So that measurement which you have taken is known as radius.
Radius.
That is radius. For this it is 4 centimeter, and for this small circle it is 3 centimeter, and the bigger one it is 4.5 centimeter. So, isn't it? Did you understand?
Yes,
Understand
ma'am.
this? So, did you understand about radius?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
Then, again, okay, now, see, this is a circle. We don't know its radius. Again, I can draw one more circle. Small circle. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
And a large circle. Larger than this. And what about this? Is it a circle? Is it a circle?
No, ma'am.
It is circular in shape.
Circular.
Shape is
Circular.
okay. So it is circular. It's round shape and circular in shape. Okay? Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, again I'll draw the circle and I'll teach you all those things. Okay. Okay, children, will you mute your audio? Somebody's family member is talking. Okay. This is again the circle, small and big. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
So, when we take the circle, I'll teach you one more thing. When I take the circle, compass, and I'm drawing one circle. Can you see 3.5 centimeter? When I move this, you can understand. Can you see there 3.5 centimeter?
Yes,
and can you see this part? This part, wait. The pencil's compass, that sharp end, when you draw a circle, the compass, that sharp end like needle, when you started to draw, there, that needle, that sharp end, we'll call it as a vertex of the compass. That vertex makes a hole in your paper. Clear? If you are drawing a circle, pencil makes the boundary circle. What about the other end? That sharpened end. It will pierce into the paper and will make a small hole, right?
Yes, ma'am.
That small hole.
At the center.
That small hole is known as center. Okay. Here. When can you see that small compass vertex? Can you see?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Yes, ma'am. So compass vertex is that sharp end, and pencil makes the circle. Pencil tip make the circle like this. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
So pencil tip makes the circle. And that sharp end, when it makes, listen, I'll show you. It makes a hole there, hole in the center, hole in the middle of the circle. It is known as center. Okay. And the measurement which we took for drawing is known as radius. Devika Prabil?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So this is known as center, and the other part which we have taken the measurement for drawing the circle is known as radius. So you studied two things. One is center and the other is radius. Okay. Now listen. Here, if you draw the other end, one radius also like this. So this is the center. From the center, you are drawing one radius like this. And the other part also you have drawn one radius. Right? Can you see a red line?
Yes, ma'am.
How many times I took the red line? How many times I have drawn? 2 times. One time from the center to one side down, and the other time I took the radius to draw up. Correct. I'll draw one more. One more time and I'll show you. Listen. This is the center. This is the center. From here, downward I have drawn one radius. One radius. And to upward also I have drawn one radius. So totally two radii I have drawn. Okay. So these two radii together makes one more part. That is another part of the circle. Very good, very good.
Diameter.
That is known as diameter. Diameter. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, I'll draw it again. See, from the center, radius to down and radius to up. So it is one diameter. That measurement is known as diameter.
Diameter.
Okay. One more time I can draw. This one I'll take another coloring and I'll draw one more diameter like this. Clear? This is also one diameter. Again, I can draw different diameters. Okay, this is another diameter. So, I want to ask you one question. How many times I took the radius to draw a diameter?
Ma'am, two times.
Two times. So, now can you tell what is a diameter? Diameter is 2 times.
2 times of a radius.
Very good. Diameter is 2 times of radius. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
So diameter is 2 times of radius. Okay. Now, we studied three parts of a circle. One is center. Do you remember the center? Center is a point. Center is a point. One dot. Center and radius and diameter. Now you tell me the answer of this question. If the radius is 4 centimeter, what is the diameter?
8 centimeter.
8 centimeter. Very good. Excellent answer. Very good. Now, if diameter is radius is 5 centimeter, what is the diameter?
10 centimeter.
If radius is 10 centimeter, what is the diameter?
20 centimeter.
If radius is 50 centimeter, 50, what will be the diameter? 100 centimeter. Okay. Now, if the diameter is 40, diameter is 40 centimeter. What is the radius?
20 centimeter.
20 centimeter. If the diameter is 40 centimeter, what is the radius?
20 centimeter.
Somebody told 80. You did not hear the question properly. If the diameter is 100, what is the radius?
50 centimeter.
If the diameter is 8, what is the radius?
4.
If the radius is 30, what is the diameter?
60.
If the radius is 70, what is the diameter?
140.
Clear? Okay. I understood that. Yes. Yes.
Ma'am, I didn't hear what you said before.
Ananya K. Vijish.
Yes, ma'am.
Mala, do you have any connectivity issue? You always ask me the same question that you are not hearing me properly.
Ma'am, like sometimes.
Sometimes, okay. Okay, child, listen. If you answer the question, if radius is 10 centimeter, what is the diameter?
20 centimeter.
Take a Vijish. She asked me the doubt. Yes.
Ma'am,
Radius 10 centimeter.
About that.
Diameter. Radius 10. Diameter.
20.
20. Okay. Then radius is 8.
16.
Ananya Vijish. Okay. Now, reverse. Diameter is 100. Radius?
50.
50. Only that much. Now you are answering very smartly. Okay, Ananya?
Okay,
Did you
ma'am.
understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, today we have one more period, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So I will explain detailedly about circles.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, shall I wind up the class now?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you.
Ma'am.
Thank you,
Thank you,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Bye, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Bye.